right now Google just launched a big opportunity that's going to simply help many people build an online business for themselves. If you head over to this very website, you're going to see lots of products that Google run every single day, and most of these products are 100% for free. This is Gmail, this is Google Drive, this is Meet, and all of these apps right here can actually help you build a business right now. And this business is actually coming from Google, from this particular secret page, which I'm going to simply show you in this very video. The first you need to do right now is simply head over to your browser right here, set for CJ Affiliate. Go ahead and sign up on this video account. Okay, this is a crucial step for Google to recognize you. Just click on this get started button right here. You have the publisher section, we have the advertiser section. Okay, so as a publisher, you need to simply click on this sign up button from this very page right here. You have to simply go ahead and add your language right here. Remember, you're going to simply select your own country right here. Okay, and this is actually going to work for you no matter where you're watching from. You can see the list of the countries right here that are available for this very program. Okay, so if you select your country, add your email here, you add your password, confirm your password, and click on I'm not a robot. Okay, then submit it, and your account will be registered on this very platform. Okay, then you're going to simply head over to the step 2. Okay, just log into your website just like this. You have to simply get yourself a website. Okay, your website is going to simply be your traffic source. Okay, because Google is going to simply recognize you more if you have a particular page or a platform of your own where you simply have your own audience. Okay, so using the application from Google is one thing, but having a platform for yourself is another thing entirely. Okay, and you have to make sure that your website is fully developed. Okay, you can simply go ahead and monetize it. That's also a bigger opportunity for you. Okay, so if you don't have a developer that will do that for you, join us on our Telegram channel. My team can handle that. And install this very plugin. Go ahead and install this plugin right here, which is auto affiliate links. Okay, after installation, click on activate for this to actually start working on your website. Okay, this is the auto affiliate plugin right here. The next step is to simply head over to your browser right here and search for Google Workspace. Okay, for instance, this is the browser I told you about. Okay, you can see most of these stuff right here are basically Google tools. Okay, and almost all of them are 100% free of charge. Okay, and you might be asking yourself, how are you going to build a business for yourself around these tools right here? For instance, you can tell a friend to download Gmail on their mobile phone, and Google is going to simply give you a commission for recommending Gmail to your friend. Okay, and for instance, you can tell your friend to download Google Drive to save their files on Google Drive, and Google is going to simply commend you with a commission. How does it work? The next you need to do right now, simply head over to your next browser and you type in affiliate program. You can see right here, this is Google Workspace affiliate program. When you search for that, this is what you're going to simply say. Click on this, become an affiliate. Okay, so this is basically coming from Google. You can see right here, this is become a Google Workspace affiliate. The applications I showed you here are the application you're going to simply be promoting. You join this program all for free via CJ Affiliate. Okay, remember we've already created our account on CJ Affiliate and I'm already logged in on my own account. Okay, once you've already gotten approval, and you have to simply start promoting your product. Okay, and they will give you some commission. All right, click on this very section right here, join affiliate. You can see cj.com right here, and they're going to simply allow you to log into your CJ account or create a new account if you don't have an account already. Okay, so because you've already created a new account, if you click on this apply now, and you can simply click on login now. Once you're logged in, this is what you're going to simply say. This is your Google Workspace affiliate program here. Okay, and if you come to this section, you're going to see the apply button. But before you start applying to promote, let me just enlighten you what this is all about. Okay, as big as Google is right now, Google still need your help to recommend users, because there are a lot of people right there that doesn't know about Google Drive, Google Meet, Google Calendar, Google Chat, Google Gemini, and lots of these applications here. Work right now is simply recommend people to buy this or to install this. Okay, once they use your link to get into this very platform, then Google can actually give you some commission for doing that. Okay, you just need to click on this apply button. Once you apply that, then they're going to simply provide you a URL. When they click on it, it is actually going to simply take them to workspace.google.com, right? And if the person end up subscribing to any of these premium value right here, you end up getting yourself some commission. All right, your commission is going to simply come to your CJ affiliate account. Okay, for you to begin promoting this, you need to have your own website, blog. All right, click on this, you read all of these things right here, you click on this accept and promote. Okay, and once your application is reviewed, then you can simply go ahead and start promoting this very product. Okay, to make sure you come over to this section, just make a screenshot. Okay, so this is my own screenshot. I'm going to simply click on this, then click on this crop button. I'm going to crop this. This is the only place I want. Okay, then click on save. The next thing I have to do is simply come over to ChatGPT, then click on upload the image, click on open. You can see it's going to simply be added here. Add this particular prompt, add this very prompt right here, allow ChatGPT to handle the work. Okay, we've already gotten 43 content titles. Okay, you can see the screenshot I gave them has all of this stuff. Right, so these are the screenshots. This is, we have Google Workspace, we have Gmail, we have Google Drive, we have Google Calendar, Google Meet, and a lot more. Okay, so inside of all of this application, it has already given us over 4 different content ideas for each of them. Okay, so you can see Google Meet premium features that makes remote work, or that makes remote team more productive. Okay, you can see all of them right here. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and pick each of them and write content for each of them. All right, so if my team have already built your website, they're going to simply integrate auto blogging for you. Your auto blogging can actually write your content for you. Remember, this blog is going to simply be monetized with affiliate links, with AdStara, with Montag, and other ad network. You're going to simply take them one after the other. For instance, if you want to go with Google Workspace Review 2026, is it worth paying for business and creators? Okay, so you're going to simply copy this, then copy it. Once you copy that, tell it to give you a blog post about this. Scroll up and copy everything. Okay, we are stopping here. Then copy this. To go back to that screenshot you took, we're gonna simply make it more bolder. This is what we want. We want this and this. We want this to be just like this. Okay, so this is gonna simply be our featured image. Okay, we just want to display everything like this. Okay, so this is our content here. Then click on this run button. It is done right, and just click on this button and click on copy as text. Then go back to your blog here, then go to the post section here, click on add new, then click on paste, then copy this, cut it, add it here. Okay, then scroll down a little bit. This is very much important. You can see we have readability good, inclusive language good, and SEO is missing. Add it here. Okay, so this is going to simply turn to yellow or green as well. All right, you can see right here, this is yellow right now. By the time we finish adding our link, adding our stuff and images and all of that, it is actually going to simply turn to green. Okay, you can see that here there's no featured image, and we're going to simply add featured image from this very page. Then click on this featured image here, then click on upload, then click on open, then add your alt text, that same keyword we are targeting as focus keyword. You can see right here. Then for this title, you can see why it took the title of the image. Okay, we want the title to be our own title. Okay, remove this and add your own Google Workspace. Okay, then for the caption, add this as well. This is very much necessary for your SEO. Okay, then click on set featured image. You can see why this is the featured image here. If you go back here, you're gonna see this SEO stuff has already changed to green. Okay, which means we are good to go. Okay, but before that, you have to simply go through all of these things, make sure you read through it, and also correct any mistakes, and also add your own words. Okay, and in your blog post, for you to rank more higher on your Google or Bing or any other search engine, you need to start interlinking your blog post. Okay, so what do I mean by that? If you scroll around, you're gonna see people also read. This is my previous blog post, okay, which is this right now. You can simply go ahead and add that same thing on your own blog, all right, so that your blog content can actually lead people to another post of yours. Okay, and the next thing you have to do right now is simply add our affiliate link. You have to simply get that from this very page. You can see right here, then select this, then select the link, add it here. Okay, you can see this is the link, which is our affiliate, and at the ending part of this very post, you have to simply add a disclaimer that there's an affiliate link on this very post, so that your audience can know about that. Okay, and that's going to simply help you. If they want to support you, they can simply click on the link to support you. Okay, then click on this. Okay, click on this publish button. Okay, Okay, right now 7 people have already seen it. As time goes on, you're going to see a lot of people will start seeing them. Okay, one thing about affiliate blogging is that you have to simply stay consistent with your blog. All right, you can see this blog is already monetized with advertisement. We're getting a lot of traffic to this very blog. You might be asking yourself, so after adding this particular blog content and adding your link, how do you get traffic? How do you get people to buy? Just to let you know, you can see just few minutes of publishing this post, we got over 7 views. Okay, which means 7 people have already seen it. For 7 people have already gotten the notification on their mobile phone and they clicked on that and opened that. Okay, and if you scroll up right here, this particular post alone got over 11,689 from search engine. All right, and because your post is published on this very platform, you're going to simply start getting traffic from Google search and from Bing, and the more traffic you get, the more people you lead to your website. Okay, and whether they buy from Google from your link or not, you're going to simply get your traffic to your ad seller, to your mon tag, which is also a revenue for you. Okay, and if they end up clicking on your link to purchase from Google, then you're going to simply get some commission from CJ affiliate. Okay, these are the commission level right here you can simply get for promoting them. All right, so remember we installed a particular plugin which is auto affiliate. This is it right here. If you go to auto affiliate, you have to simply click on this auto affiliate link. You have to simply go ahead and add all the affiliate link you got from this very platform, and make sure you add this as an affiliate link, and make sure you add the keywords you want this affiliate link to be added to on your blog. Okay, and you have to simply add Google as a keyword here. Okay, click on add link. Okay, I've already made a detailed video on how to use this very plugin for auto affiliate linking. Okay, and if you've not watched that video, go ahead and watch this video showing on screen right now. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do. If you want my team to build a website for you, your blog, and monetize it, and your application and any other thing, make sure you join us on our Telegram channel. My team can also handle that for you and get you started. Okay, see you in the next video.